afternoon, sir.
Good noon. MPC. Before any question, I'd like to issue a statement by the President. It's a major statement. He directed the Solicitor General, the Department of Justice Secretary, and all legal departments to review, evaluate, scrutinize every contract entered by the government and or its agencies with private corporations and or countries, and determine whether there are onerous provisions in the contract that will put the Filipino people in disadvantage or in violation of the Constitution. That's it.
May follow-up question, Ina Andulong?
Hi, sir. You mentioned, so the directive was given to SOLGEN, DOJ, and all legal departments. Will there be, let's say, a panel formed, or kanya-kanya yun kada agency?
No, yun.
Okay.
Address
Sir,
to them.
how many contracts are we talking about? Is
All
the president-
contracts, existing contracts, they will have to be subjected to scrutiny.
Sir, what